Hi everyone, welcome back to styleoblender, and in today's video I will be sharing a beautiful dress design for kids. And I used old shirt of my sister and I created really nice and beautiful summer dresses. So first I'm going to show you which dress I used, and then I will show you the dresses look I made. So this is the fully embroidered shirt, and this is the front side of the dress. And as you can see, the sleeves, they're embroidered too. Everything was perfect. Front, back, fabric, embroidery, everything was great. The color didn't fade or anything. It was just after 4 or 5 wash, the length, or I would say the balance of the shirt was out. And as you can see from the sides, it's not balanced. That's what I would say. And this was the shirt my sister is wearing, and as you can see, it looks so nice and beautiful, right? So this is the used shirt. The reason why I'm sharing my sister's picture with you is I just wanted to show you that she wore it, and she wore it for like 4 or 5 times, right? And after that everything was in perfect shape anyways. So let's see the design number 1. So this is the full look of the design number 1. So for the bottoms I used the back fabric, which was plain, and for the front I used the embroidered fabric. Alright, so inside also I use a fabric just for the sake of lining. Alright, so front is open and I only closed up to 6 inches, and the rest of the fabric is open. It is an A-line style shirt. And the pants, as I told you, I made it from the back of the shirt. So there is still threads and everything. I didn't clean up properly, but I will do that later. So this is the full look, and now I'm gonna show you the back side of the shirt, which looks something like that. So I created this look using the different panels, embroidered panels, and the plain fabric together, and I created this kind of back look, which is awesome. On the back of the fabric I cut about 3 inches just to give it a slit and attach the buttons so the baby can wear it easily, right? So that was the first dress. Now come to the second dress, and this is the second dress. For the bodice I use embroidered pieces only, and sleeves I use the same sleeves as it was attached in the old shirt. And for the flare of the frog I used the hot pink fabric, which is cotton, and this mirror lace was the leftover lace I had, so I decided just to add it, just to add some colors in it. Right, so this is the back of the dress, and I didn't do any opening at the back because I did it at the front. And this is, the fabric wasn't enough. I tried to combine the leftover pieces, the small pieces together, and create these kind of beautiful looks for girls. This is what I love doing. If I have a new fabric, I will leave that fabric aside and I will grab the old shirt, old stuff, or the little tiny pieces and create a new look. This is what I love to do. Alright, now it come to the trouser side. I made the full tutorial of this trouser design, and this is a very beautiful trouser design, trust me, and it is really easy to make, and it is made out of cotton. And if you want to create a little festive look on summer times, then you can definitely create this look. And this dress was for 3 years old. So these are the beads I used, and after wearing these dresses, my girls look really awesome. The girls look really awesome in these traditional dresses. So if you want to create these kind of look without spending so much money, trust me, this is the way to go. And you can create these looks in no time, and without spending so much money, actually no money at all. And that's about it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy this video, hopefully you enjoy this little cute outfits. And thank you so much for watching the video. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until the next time, you take care. Bye.